testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Right, okay, so levels, on how to do levels. Right, okay, so I know this corner over here from the previous patio which was there, so I know that's the level I want to go to. So I got a string line from the one end down to the ACO and the first tile in position. So back down to this end, past the squeaky wheelbarrow. So we got that one there. That's only a temporary tile. That's just to get my level. So I've gone from the ACO over to the corner where I want to go. So they're corresponding. And now I've got the string line from the end all the way up here. So as long as I'm touching this side and touching that side, then level should be fine. So we're going to start sticking the slabs down now. When it comes to really large slabs like this, it is actually hard to get the bed exactly right. So what we're going to do, we're going to level it around till we think it's about right, stick the tile on it, place the tile on it, just check that it's not low or too high in places, peel it back up, prime it, then glue it down. Smaller tiles are okay because you've only got a smaller area to work with, so you can get your bed height pretty correct. But because these are 800 by 800s, it's quite easy to be a little bit out. You could be a bit low and it's hard to lift up when it's been primed, or a bit too much cement and you've got to beat hell out of it to actually get it down to the levels. I don't want to go down that route. I want to make sure it's right from the start. And we're going to use some clips then as well from Tyler's tools. I'll show you those in a minute. Right, so we're going to use these clips today. I'll install these in a minute and show you how they go. But first of all, I got to say thanks to Tyler Tools again. Same guy supplies my saw the other day. Yeah, so these clips are called Raymonde RLS Vite clips. They're used for outdoor porcelain between depths of 14 and 26 mil. So what they do, they just help lock the tiles together. So I've got 3 bags of these. They're about 30 quid each, something like that. So what I do, to get 2 clips, I'll stick one in there, one in there. We introduce the tile on top of it, then I use these little caps to screw on top, and it helps bond it together, stops it from moving. So thanks Tyler Tools, good man. I love your stuff, really helps my job. Right, okay, we got one of the slabs. Let's plonk them on. Okay, so tile's in position. So I'll tap it now over to where it's got to go. Soft part of the mallet. There we go. Just wear that. So now these clips now from Tyler's Tools. I'm going to plonk that on there. Spin it around. They are more useful with smaller tiles for sure, because smaller tiles will move a bit more because there's not much weight behind it. But we're still going to use these on here because they're good spacers. Plus, they do what they say on the tin. They really do help bond everything together. So, yeah, great product. If you're an amateur, this is the route you want to go down because it really does help. I'm not saying I'm not an amateur, just saying that it really does help. I totally forgot to mention ratio for the cement mix. So we're using 4:1 sharp sand. Okay, 4:1 sharp sand. Most important, sharp sand.